instructor for the National Guild. She is educated in scientific and advanced AAEH, Silva mind control, touch for healing, hypnoanalysis, NLP, and Ericksonian hypnotherapy. She is a member of the American Board of Hypnotherapy and trained in the Tad James method. Listed in marquee Who's Who in American Women, Who's Who in the World, International Who's Who of Professional and Business Women. So let's give a warm applause and welcome, please, Constance Palinsky. My pleasure.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Are we ready to have some fun?
Oh, yes.
Oh, this is going to be a lot of fun. You'll really enjoy it. I'm going to have Sue, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to have Sue pass among you when we're working. If you're slouching too much, she's going to tell you to stand up a little bit. Sue Luby has her own video, and she is an expert in her field in yoga and the... Sue, what is your method?
Oh, I guess what she's saying to is to sit straight. What is your business all the time doing? Sitting, isn't it? Well, how many find you take the negativity and you've got it in your neck and between your shoulders? And this workshop that Connie's going to be giving is on light touch. And so you need to have the energy go through your body. And
sit up straight,
so
but not rigid.
Just for a second, I don't want to take any more time. Stay the way you are, slouch. Try and take a deep breath. What happens to it? It's kind of stuck. All right? I'd like you, when we're doing the touch type of thing, because that's what we're going to be doing for you here, is I'm asking you to stay sitting deep in the chair when you listen to her. But for the best effect, when we ask you to do that, is sit on the edge. And if some of you can't put your feet on the floor, pump the chair down. You have to have your leg at a right angle. All right? So pump the chair down, sit on the edge. I want your ischium bone on the very edge of the seat. There's a pump there somewhere. The right-hand side. Right-hand side. Okay, there. Now come and sit right on the edge. Sit on the very edge. Now bring your legs at a right angle. Okay. All right, more on the edge. So your whole thigh is off the chair. The whole thigh is off the chair. All right? And when you're sitting like that, and you're going to now bend forward from your hips there. That's right. Because we're going to be working on your back. All right? So that's how, and now take a deep breath. Keeping your ribs up out of your waist. All right? That's what we're going to ask them for. But typically, if you want to stay sitting like that, if you sit and put your shoulders down, lift up the rib cage out of the waist, roll the shoulders back so your shoulder blades are kind of coming together, and your shoulders are over your hips. You're going to find your neck is very much more release, and you now can breathe, and you're sitting lined up over your sit bones. Okay, so that's what this is about. Just good body alignment and sitting habits. Okay, thank you.
Sue has made videos, and she did 20 or 24, was it, for
NutraSuite. 24 videos for NutraSuite. And so this was her profession. So to get the most out of it, when you're working with your client, if you can get them to do that, fine. If they object, then you're just going to have to go with the flow. But that's the way you're going to get the most. Yes? I don't know. Well, tell you what, I'll speak a little bit louder, okay? What I'm going to do right now, what I'd like to introduce you to, this is something you may have to do. Can you